You've probably heard the same common advice I did, that if you have diabetes, rice is off limits. That every spoonful is a risk you shouldn't take. I believed this for years, and honestly, it made eating feel like punishment. But here's the question that changed everything for me. What if rice wasn't the problem? What if how we prepare it is the real secret? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share 2 simple changes that can put rice back on your plate without the fear or sharp blood sugar rises. And the second secret? Almost no one talks about it. The second secret is where the real magic happens. Don't miss it. Section 1. The old rule versus the new approach. The old advice? Just cut out rice completely. But let's be real, rice isn't just food. It's part of our culture, our comfort, our family meals. Eliminating it forever? That's not realistic for most people. So, here's the new approach. It's not about removing rice. It's about choosing smart and cooking smart. But before we dive into that, quick question for you. If you could enjoy your favorite rice without guilt or fear, would it make your meals feel more normal again? Think about it. Because in a few minutes, I'll show you how to make that happen. Section 2. The traffic light method. Let's start with which rice to choose. Imagine a traffic light. Red bucket, standard white rice. High GI, spikes blood sugar quickly. Yellow bucket, brown rice, better than white, but still needs portion control. Green bucket, basmati rice and especially black rice, lower GI, better for stability. And here's where it gets interesting. Black rice isn't just lower GI, it's loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation. But even if you pick the best rice, without this next trick, you're missing the real secret. That's coming up in 60 seconds. Why do you think black rice was once reserved for royalty? Because it's incredibly nutrient-rich and rare historically, a sign of its health benefits. Section 3. The cooking hack. Most people don't know now for the part most people skip. And honestly, this is the game changer. The secret isn't just the rice you choose, it's how you cook and cool it. Here's the science in simple terms. When you cook and then cool rice for 12 hours, it forms something called resistant starch. Resistant starch doesn't spike your blood sugar the same way. It acts more like fiber. And the best part? You can reheat it and keep the benefits. This means meal prep just became your best friend. But before you think this is all about science, wait till you see how it looks on your plate, coming up next. Why do you think cooling rice changes its structure so much? Because temperature alters the starch molecules, making them harder for your body to break down quickly. Section 4. The perfect plate. Now, let's build the ultimate balanced plate. Half your plate, non-starchy veggies, broccoli, spinach, peppers. Quarter, lean protein, chicken, fish, tofu. Quarter, your smart rice, basmati or black, cooked and cooled. Notice something? The rice isn't the villain anymore. It's part of a balanced strategy. But what happens if you try this for a week? I'll tell you what most people report coming up. If you tried this plate for a week, what do you think would change first? Your energy, your sugar levels, or your mood? Most people notice energy and mood improve first because stable blood sugar means no more crashes. So what did we learn? It's not about saying no forever. It's about knowing the 2 secrets. 1. Choice. Pick low GI options like basmati or black rice. 2. Preparation. Cook and cool to create resistant starch. I challenge you. Try this for 7 days and share your blood sugar results in the comments. Your experience could help someone else too. And if you want to know the one cooking mistake that destroys resistant starch completely, make sure you check the next video. You'll be shocked how common it is.